What's up, Raleigh Tench viewers? It's your boy Chris Wong. Fancy seeing you here. Just wanted to say a quick hello. For those of you who don't actually know me, my name is Chris, I'm from England, and I am also a Royal Caribbean crew member, and I too make cruise ship vlogs about my life working on a cruise ship. Basically, me and Riley were under the impression that we actually had some of the same viewers, so we thought it'd be kind of cool if we had this idea to actually collab and be in each other's videos, just to say hi. Riley, stay safe, stay strong, man. I know you're still currently on board Quantum, and I know you're just patiently waiting to go home. Keep posting videos, man, and I am so sorry and gutted for you that you dropped your Rode mic into the water. When I saw that happen, I actually felt my heart sink for you as well. I was like, no, he's just dropped his Rode mic in the water. Anyways, guys, make sure you're subscribed to both of our channels, and Riley, hopefully me and you will get to work together on the same ship one day, and we can actually meet each other in real life and do a video in real life. So in the meantime, thanks buddy, take care, stay safe.
Thank you for the intro, Chris. Let's start the video. So guys, I knew I wanted to make a Q&A video at some point in the future. And I knew I didn't want to make a video where I just sit at a desk and read questions and pull names out of a hat or whatever. So I was trying to think of all these ways that I could make a questions and answer video as engaging and cool as possible. And then it hit me. All I have to do is go around the ship and live my life and answer your questions while I go, and then it's fun and interesting and exciting and entertaining to watch. So my friends, without further ado, here is Riley's frequently asked questions and answers extravaganza, the video. Okay, let's start simple. What is your name and where are you from?
Boyan, and I'm from Montenegro.
My name is Bryce and I'm from South Africa.
My name is Nilo Resti Apriliani. You can call me Resti. I'm from Bali.
My name is obviously Riley. This is Cass. Hi. She's my girlfriend. She's from Malaysia, and that's pretty far away from where I live, which is Alaska. What do you even do? What's your job on the cruise ship?
I'm a sound technician.
Crew staff.
I'm the assistant MKIII on board.
Sound technician in the Royal Theatre.
Restaurant attendant.
I'm a light tech here on the ship.
And I was head stage on the ship.
And yeah, I run the lights for the shows and stuff in 270, which is this room that we're in right now. How long have you been working on cruise ships?
4 months.
29 years.
Almost 5 years.
4 years.
5 years.
1.5 years.
2 years. Okay, but like, what ship are you on?
Quantum of the Sea.
We are on the Quantum of the Seas.
I am in the Quantum of the Sea, yes, I think so, yeah, still the Quantum of the Seas.
Guys, it's Quantum of the Seas, okay? Like, let that be the end of it. That is the question I answer most in the comments. What ship are you on? What ship are you on? What boat are you on? Where are you? What cruise ship is that? It's Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Seas. So do you just work on the same cruise ship for every single contract, or do you move around, or how does that work?
No, so every contract they assign us to different ship.
I heard that you pretty much move around.
It just depends on what the company wants me to do.
Sometimes I do a few contracts on one ship, sometimes I move to another.
I've been on Quantum for 2 contracts, never left.
And I mean, I've been on 2 ships, but you know, they let us move around sometimes. Are you still getting paid right now?
No.
Yes.
Not anymore.
We are getting paid.
No, unfortunately, we doesn't got paid since end of March, but we have like a goodwill payment to subsidy us.
Nope, I'm not getting paid.
The ship is not paying me right now, but technically YouTube is, which is good for me, I guess. But consider this, guys. The robots behind me aren't getting paid, and they've never been paid for a day's work in their life. So keep that in mind. We're all living, breathing human beings. Be grateful that you're not a robot. What's the deal with the internet on board? Is it fast? Is it slow? Do you have to pay for it?
Oh, no, right now the internet is free for all of us. It's working pretty well.
We are super lucky, it's all free.
Internet is free.
Yeah, free.
It's for free, don't have to pay for it. Contact home, video call. I've had no real issues.
We get a pretty consistent 2 to 3 megabits per second, which, you know, by most standards isn't amazing, but it's still good enough for me to upload my videos, even though it takes a super long time, and we can still watch, you know, like Netflix and YouTube. Where do you guys eat?
We are eating in a windjammer.
Here, ta-da!
In the guest area, Windjammer.
Well, the crew at the present moment is eating on the Windjammer buffet that usually works for guests.
It's where the guests usually come and eat. It's a lot more spacious, allows us to social distance.
We eat here at the guest buffet. The food's free. Do you guys have to pay for anything on board? Like, I mean, food, water, electricity, bed? Like, tell me.
Accommodations complimentary, medical is complimentary.
Everything is free for crew members.
It's all provided by the Royal Caribbean, and I'm pretty happy with what I got here.
Oh no, all is free.
The only exception to that is the crew marketplace, where we can like buy cheap snacks and stuff in addition to the free food that we get every day. How many people are still on the ship?
I think around 400 people.
300, I think.
Under 1,000.
Right now, I think the number is 461.
500 in the moment.
At the moment, I think we're pretty close to around 430. We're in Manila right now. A bunch of people have been getting off the ship, and that number is changing every single day. Seriously, that's your question? Can we sleep on the pool deck? You're asking if we can sleep on the pool deck?
Pool deck?
Probably, but not all the time.
I wouldn't risk that.
I don't think so.
Don't know about that, although I'm pretty happy with my cabin and my air conditioning.
When the heck are you guys going home?
Today, bye, piss.
Bye, Jasmine. We've decided to stay.
We're staying!
Royal Caribbean has given us the option to just stay on the ship instead of going home. And with the state of the world as it is right now, that just kind of makes sense for us. You know, we're both here, we're comfortable, we got free food and a free place to live. It just makes sense for so many reasons. Do you guys know Chris Wong? So like, I know him in the sense that we both work for the same company and we both make cool YouTube videos and stuff like that. But aside from that, I've never met him personally.
I know he works in a casino.
That's true. I think he was just on Oasis of the Seas. We've been chatting on Instagram a little bit. He's a really cool guy. And yeah, I would totally do a contract with him.
That would be cool. You guys can film and make videos together.
That would be super awesome. Isn't it kind of scary to go around all these empty spaces on the ship and stuff? I mean, that scares you, right? Isn't it kind of spooky, man?
Spooky.
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 Dude, is Royal Caribbean even okay with the videos you're making right now? Do you even have permission to be doing this? So I actually do know quite a few members of the upper management on this ship and Royal Caribbean and all that stuff that have seen my videos. I mean, they've kind of made a little bit of a shockwave in the internet of cruising. So it's pretty understandable that a lot of people have watched them. You know, so far nobody's told me to stop. So I guess we're good. I'm just gonna keep going until somebody tells me otherwise. Just a quick break from the Q&A to watch the sunset because guys, look at that. Look at that.
It's so pretty!
You don't get stuff like that in other places that aren't here cuz we're here right now and yeah, it's really pretty. All right, back to the Q&A. Where's the crew area tour? You said you were making that like 3 videos ago. What's the problem? Come on, crew area tour. There's a lot to a video like that, and I want to make sure it's perfect. And I'm working on it. It's coming soon. I promise. Probably. Relax. It's gonna be soon. Where's the girl?
I'm right here!
Yeah, Cass is right there. You guys are super cute and everything, but where did you guys meet?
We met here in the Royal Theater. Last contract.
Yeah, that was like a year and a half ago, pretty much.
Something like that.
And Cass is a stage staff, so she was working on stage. I'm a light tech. I was working on lights on stage. We said hi to each other, and the rest is history. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed. It was a pretty big project, all things considered. It took about 3 days to shoot a bunch of different crew member interviews and stuff, and it was really, really fun. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I've got Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all that jazz. I post behind the scenes stuff on my Instagram stories a lot of the time, and Twitter I'll post like updates about videos and, you know, just random thoughts and Twitter stuff, and then more of the same on Snapchat. So if you're interested, definitely go check those out. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and let me know. Hit the like button, all that jazz, share the video, leave a comment down below if I missed any cool questions that you guys have for me. As always, I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.